Welcome to a journey through charm and color. Today, we explore the magic of flowery pathway design ideas that transform ordinary backyards into dreamlike landscapes. From vivid blooms to whimsical garden decorations, this video unveils the garden design secrets that create truly unforgettable flowery garden paths. A well-crafted pathway does more than guide your steps. It sets the tone of your garden. With the right pathway design ideas, even a small backyard can bloom with personality. Let's dive into how vibrant flowers and playful decorations bring structure and soul to your garden design. Seasonal planting is a key to keeping your flowery garden fresh year-round. Spring tulips, summer zinnias, autumn mums, and winter pansies ensure your pathway remains alive with color and charm, no matter the month. It's a garden idea worth embracing. Vertical decorations such as trellises with climbing roses or clematis add a romantic touch to your flowery garden. They draw the eye upward, making your garden feel more immersive and breathing new life into your pathway decoration strategy. Let's pause to admire a garden where sunflowers, salvia, and daisies lead the way. The smell, color, and movement of these flowers offer a sensory experience that no indoor decoration could replicate. This is the heart of a true flowery garden. Water elements, such as a bubbling fountain or a koi pond near your path, enhance your flowery garden's tranquility. Their sounds blend with the rustle of petals, creating a soothing backdrop for your garden decoration. Paving stones with moss in between give your pathway an aged storybook charm. When paired with vibrant flowers on either side, this garden design approach evokes nostalgia and whimsy. It's a timeless garden idea that never loses its magic. A canopy of flowers, created using pergolas or archways, can dramatically transform a pathway. Wisteria, grapevines, or trumpet flowers make your pathway feel like a blooming tunnel. It's a garden idea that adds height and fantasy to your space. Use rustic materials like wooden borders, woven branches, or antique watering cans to soften the edges of your pathway. These textured decoration pieces align perfectly with cozy garden design ideas rooted in nature. Create a seasonal focal point at the end of the path, a sculpture, potted arrangement, or seasonal wreath. This gives your pathway a visual destination and adds artistic decoration to your garden idea palette. Painted stepping stones decorated with floral patterns or inspirational quotes add personalized decoration. These DIY touches invite creativity into your pathway design ideas and make your garden design unmistakably yours. Install curved garden benches nestled among the flowers. These create conversation nooks and moments of pause along your pathway. They're not just functional, they're a decorative garden idea that fosters connection. Make use of reclaimed materials, old bricks, driftwood, broken tiles, for a rustic and sustainable pathway. This eco-friendly decoration method tells a story while enriching your flowery garden character. Even a narrow side yard can host a magical path. With vertical planters, climbing roses, and artificial lighting, your forgotten spaces become a flowery garden corridor of charm and utility. Incorporate unexpected color pops, hot pink zinnias, bright orange lilies, between more neutral blooms. These surprises excite the senses and keep your pathway design ideas fresh and inspiring. Now look back at your finished path, from the entrance to the final bloom. Each flower, stone, and decoration plays a role in your garden design story. It's more than a walkway. It's a living art piece. Thank you for walking this path with us. From clever pathway design ideas to whimsical garden decorations, we hope you've been inspired to craft your own flowery garden retreat. Let nature, color, and creativity guide your every step.